president. He always climbed the stage. DMK is not an electoral party. DMK is an ideological party. DMK based on social justice. The founder Anna always claimed DMK is a democratic party and the party based on social justice. But even Kalaignar followed social justice. We have a different opinion. Mr. Kalaignar Karunanidhi administration, the family Raj, monarchy and corruption. But he followed the social justice. Amma Jayalalitha madam followed social justice. But after Kalaignar, the DMK leader, the son, he always claimed, I am the Karunanidhi son, Kalaignar son, I am following social justice. But he never followed social justice, even the own alliance parties. For example, Mr. Vaiko, the veteran leader, the senior leader, almost 30 years experience in the parliament, and more than 50 years experience. He is more than experienced than Mr. M.K. Stalin, sir. The name Marumalichi Dravida Munnetra Kalagam, they had alliance with the DMK. They got 4 seats. The first declaration, 3 seat DMK symbol, 1 symbol, the one symbol, MDMK symbol. Now, yesterday, DMK declared the 4 symbol, DMK symbol. If you contest DMK symbol, there is no MDMK, there is no Vaiko party in the assembly. So where is the social justice? What is the social justice? Every party have ambitions. Every party have their own ideology. Every party should contest the democratic way. Every 5 years, it's a democratic duty to contest, to serve the people. But DMK stopped, pressurized in indirect way the name of BJP. BJP will come, BJP will come. So the other senior leaders, they don't have money, they don't have other choice. So our claim is not against Vaiko, sir. Who's dominating? Periyar always over the dominating side. The Periyar always rise, the Anna always rise over the dominating. For example, dominating caste, dominating gender, male, dominating majority voice of religion. But DMK right now following dominating voice, the name of money, the name of authority. They are not respecting the own alliance parties, MDMK particularly. Then Congress. Today, Karur MP, Madam Jyothimani, and the senior leader, Virudhunagar MP, Mani Tagore, declared we are not going to work the election because the MLA seat, current president selling the MLA seats, the own people with money. That in the alliance totally against DMK, the Congress cadres, the Congress youth, all the people want to TVK alliance. But he went backdoor, he joined, finally he sold MLA seats. So Congress cadres right now totally against the DMK alliance. That's why this election is not 2021 election. This election, the alliance is not natural alliance. This election, the based on the money, this based on the pressure, the based on the authority, using the power, because Mr. M.K. Stalin want clean everyone without any competition. He want to make Chief Minister, Mr. Udayinidhi, within 1 year, he came Deputy CM without any political support, without any public support. So the own father, the monarchy, look like a monarchy. Kalaignar, Stalin, now Uday, then Red Giant owner, Inbanidhi. After movie, then again youth wing leader. Inmamniti became a youth wing leader. Then Inmamniti became a deputy CM. The same story last 50 years going on. So after MDMK, then Congress, we are so much of upset, particularly Dalit brothers and sisters upset DMK alliance. Last 5 years, particularly Pudukottai, Vengavel issue, all other issue, DMK always suppress Dalit leaders, Dalit community. Almost 25% of Dalit leaders, Dalit people suppress the DMK government. But the ideological leader, Mr. Tiruma Anna, want always to against BJP. That's why he is staying for compulsion. But DMK never respect Premalata Madam, Captain Party, Teimutika just came. DMK gave 10 seats, 1 MP. In Tamil Nadu, the 1 Rajya Sabha MP means it's a 34 MLA. So DMK gave a respect Teimutika, Premalata Madam. But DMK never respect Communist Party and VCK. So this is the problem. All the communist cadres and VCK supporters and cadres and Congress cadre supporters moved on TVK. That's why our vote percentage right now is more than 33%. So finally, Mr. Tirumavalan MP declared last week happily, yes, VCK going to focus more state level politics. He gave a new faces for MLA seats, women also. Then he declared happily, yes, I am back for state election. I am back state election happily. Because after 2026, the election scenario is going to change. That means Mr. Tirumavanan declared nobody will get majority. He's a veteran politician. He just understands nobody will get majority. So VCK should win 8 MLA seat. Then VCK should go for power sharing government. VCK should work for the Dalit people. Without power, you cannot get the economical freedom. Without economical freedom, you cannot fulfill the social justice. This is a fundamental social justice. That's why he started VCK for not only Dalit people, all minority people. But yesterday, just 3 days before, April 2nd, I declared Trichy conference. This is all going on. Mr. M.K. Stalin, Udayanidhi, and the M.K. Stalin handling all bribe money, corruption money, Binami money. Mr. Sabarish called Mr. Tirumavalan, don't participate state election. It's negative for DMK. You be just for the MP. You just give your voice only in the parliament. My question, who is the Mr. Sabarish? How can you call? Who are you? You are not a DMK president. You are not DMK general secretary. You don't have any authority. So what is the compulsion? Because of M.K. Stalin don't want any leader in Tamil Nadu. Because Mr. Udayanidhi Stalin should to nominate to CM after 2 years, after 2026. So that's why they creating the alliance, just fighting name shake BJP. We are against BJP. We are only secular force. We are against Hindutva. But DMK joined 1999. They gave a 5 years full government. Even Gujarat Riot, DMK support BJP. They are just working for only the power and money. They don't have any ideology. Particularly CM Stalin said they don't have any ideology, only in the stage. He don't have any social justice. He don't know what is the two-language system. He's just giving the speech of whatever the stage. That's it. You cannot compare with the Kalaignar. So he want to clean the way. That's why right now Mr. Tirumavalavan compulsion and forced to quit the state politics, to withdraw the announcement, the MLA election. Personally, I feel so bad, I feel so sad, because all the tall leader or all the ideological leader have to participate the election to win and participate the assembly to rise the ideological administration. Not this kind of legislative assembly. Current assembly only talking about all the MLAs, Udayanidhi Valga, and MK Stalin is great. There is no scheme, good schemes, only announcements. There is no implement last 5 to 10 years. So that's why we are exposing, we are in the Periyar way. Wherever the domination, we are rising. Wherever the domination, wherever the money force, we are rising. So that's why we are rising. The alliance parties, what are all the going inside, we are condemned. They are still, we have time, one more day. My personal request, Mr. Tirumavalavan Annan have to participate in the state election, have to raise the Dalit leaders, Dalit people, all the minority people. So this is my personal request. We have to throw this government and monarchy mindset, Mr. Stalin sir mindset. People will throw this as election 2026. Thank you.
What about Vijay sir's campaign, sir?
Yeah, of course. See, you cannot do the problem compared to other leaders. We cannot do a normal campaign. You can see yesterday, you can Puducherry campaign, almost more than 50,000, 60,000 people came in the road. So more than 2,000 total administration totally stuck. All the police officers, everyone, we have to plan properly. So that's why we are planning maximum 2 or 3 days. Right now DGP changed. Election Commission is working with us. So definitely we'll announce the tour maximum 2 to 3 days in next up to 21 April 21 full schedule.